Hey guys, this is Robert from Land Rover in Naperville. Today I'm going to show you how to stay warm in your new Range Rover. Alright guys, this is how you set your remote start app on your phone. Just basically bump the temperature up a couple of degrees. Press and hold it. Just like that. And if you have 30 minutes remaining until the car turns off by itself, or if you think it's warm enough, stop climate. That turns off the car for you. First thing when you get in the car, you always want to turn that heated steering wheel on. So it's always going to be right here in the steering wheel. Just like that. There is a time limit, so it's usually 30 minutes before it turns off by itself, but it does get warm pretty quickly. And then for climate, heated seats and your temperature. You can basically go up to the highest temperature if you wanted to. And the best feature is the heated seat part. And this is how you stay warm in the new Range Rover.